In today's video, we'll take out the front bumper of 2023 Mitsubishi RVR. First, we lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I am using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. Once you have lifted the car properly, the very first step is we take out the clips and screws from the bottom, from right side, then left side, finally from the top. Now let's jump into the process. Using the door upholstery remover, we'll take out the very first clip, and that is towards the fender liner side. Similar style, take out the second clip which is right besides, followed by the third clip, and then take out a series of clips all the way till the very end. This clip was already hanging due to an accident, but we'll still take it out as part of the process. Notice the bottom engine cover will be separated from front bumper. In my case, since the car had an accident, so some of the clips have already been taken out. But in your case, if you're taking out the front bumper, make sure you take out the clips going forward. They're the exact same clips we took out in the earlier steps. With that, we are done from the bottom side. Now we will jump on to the corner. We'll start off taking out the first clip which is at the very bottom. Then take out the 10mm screw which is at the top. I am using an impact gun with a 10mm nut setter, but you can also use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter. Once screw is out, now slightly pull the trim cover. Notice there is a clip hiding behind the trim cover and we need to take that clip out. Notice there is another clip at the very top connecting the fender with the bumper. We do need to take out this clip as well. This clip is a little bit in a tight spot, but somehow we were able to take it out eventually. There's that bad boy. Just pull the trim cover a little bit more so that you have enough room to pull the front bumper from the edge. Now we can slightly pull the bumper. Jumping on to the other side, notice this side had an accident. Will not be able to demonstrate to you guys the steps, but not to worry, the steps are exactly the same. You take out some clips from this section, then a 10mm screw, followed by the final clip from top connecting the fender from the bumper. Assuming both sides are done, now we will jump on to the top part. Here we will take out a number of clips from the top side using the door upholstery remover. Pay attention as there is a tier of clips on the bottom side and then a tier of clips on top. If my math is correct, I think there were total 11 clips. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. Once all the clips are taken out, now slightly remove the top engine cover. Also remove the front grille. Once the grille is removed, there are some other screws that needs to be taken out. They're actually hidden behind the grille. Take out two 10mm screws from one side. Take out one screw from the middle. Then take out another two screws from the other side. Remember taking out two screws behind the grille. Right at the bottom there's another screw which is hidden and that also needs to be taken out. Same for the other side. Take out that one 10mm screw. All the clips and screws are out. Now we can slightly pull down the front bumper. Final thing left is the plug in the middle. Make sure you take it out. With that, we are done taking out the front bumper completely. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.